Hi children. In the previous class we discussed about that ascending order and descending order. No? Now we are going to the another topic, that is abacus. What ma? Abacus. A-B-A-C-U-S. Abacus. What ma? A-B-A-C-U-S. Abacus. Abacus means what? Abacus is an instrument which we can count and understand the place value of digits in a number. What ma? Abacus is an instrument. Did you see that abacus instrument? One instrument there, no? That why? What is the use of this abacus? Here I got the abacus kit. Okay, na children? See there. Like this, no? The instrument. Here the what are these? Beads, no? Here in the upper bottom, the top of this one bead, and the bottom 4 beads, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. Like this, no? Abacus kit. Like this, no? This is the abacus kit. No? Did you see this type of abacus kit? What is the use of this kit? This is an instrument. This is an abacus instrument which we can count numbers. Count and understanding the place values of a digit in a number. Here see there, I'll give some numbers. The first one 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. See here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the one digit numbers. No children? See that these are all 0 to 9 are the one digit numbers. One digit. Oh no? One digit number. No? These are 0 to 9 are the one digit numbers. Then 9 after which number comes? 10. See here, no? 10. 10. Here, what is there? Here 1 and 0. Means here how many digits are there? 2 digits. See there? 1, 0. Means this is 10 is the 2 digit number. 2 digit number. 0 to 9 are the 1 digit numbers. And 10 is a 2 digit number because here 1 and 0 is there. So now I'll tell you the place value of the numbers. See the place values. See the place value. Here I am giving the 10. The 10. See here 10. Here 1 and here 0. So the 0 is in which place and 1 in which place? Means the 0 is in one's place. O-N-C-E. O-N-E. Ante 1. One's place. O-N-E. One's place. And 1 in which place? Tens place. In which place, ma? Tens place. The 1 is in the tens place and 0 is in the ones place. O-N-E-S. Ones. T-E-N-S. Tens. Here the place. Now you are telling about the place values means this 0 is in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. So this is of the place values. Here I am giving 13. Here 13, which is in which number in tens place and which number in the ones place? The 3 is in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. How means? See here. Here I draw that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here how many lines, ma? How many lines here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the 10 ones. How many ones? 10 ones. No? These 10 ones is called as 110. These 10 ones called as 110. No? Here see there. In my how many fingers in your hands, ma? In one hand 5 fingers and the other hand 5 fingers. Now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are counting 1, 1, 1, 1. So here 1, 1, 1. So these 5 plus 5, these are 10 ones. These 10 ones called as 110 only, no? These 10 ones. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Like that you are counting. These 10 ones is a 110. No? Now how many fingers in both hands? 10 fingers. 10 fingers means 10 ones. 10 ones means 110. Here, see. No? Like that. Again I will give 110. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10. How many ones here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones means 110. No? 110. Plus, here I give 1, 1. Only 1, 1. 1, 1. So, 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1, how much, ma? If you have any number more than 1, it will come as the next number. No, children? If I am giving here 10. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. 11. The next number only, no? 11. 10 plus 1. 11. Like that, you are called as a place values. Here 10 plus 1. 11. See the tens. Here 10 plus 1 we give as a 11. So, this is the ones place and this is the tens place. Like that, the place for the numbers you identify the place values. No, children? Now, I will give the next example. Here is there 10 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11. Next, this is the ones place and this is the tens place. Now, next 10 plus 2, how many? 10 plus 2, 12, the next number. Here I will give 2 ones, 1 plus 1, no? Now, this is 12. Next, 10 plus 3 ones. 10 plus 3 ones. How many? 13. 10 plus 3 ones. Here 10, 11, 12, 13. 10 plus 3 ones. 13. Next, 10 plus 4 ones. That is 14. Means here the 1 in ones place and this 1 is in tens place. Like that 2 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Like the 3 in ones place, 1 in tens place. 4 in ones place, 1 in tens place. No, like that. 10 plus 5 ones. 5 ones, 15. 10 plus 5, 15. Next, 10 plus 6, 16. 10 plus 7, 17. Like that, the place values you are identifying. Here I will give you some examples. See that I show you here, you know. See, no? See the children? Here, see that? This is the tens place and this is the ones place. No? See, I will give you. No? This is ones place and Here I will give you the now here see there. This is the tens place and this is the ones place. Now I will put the beads. Now here in ones place I will put only now sit here. Here see there. Here tens place and here ones place. Now here see how many beads here I give in tens place. One bead only, no? In ones place, how many beads here? Here also one bead. Now this is one and this is one. Here one bead. In tens place one bead and the ones place also one bead. No? This is one and this is one. In ones place, how many beads, ma? Here only one. Next, in tens place, how many beads? Here also one. So, what is that? What is the number? What is the number? 11. So, you write as a plus dash ones. See there. How many tens here? Here how many tens? Only one ten. 110. And here how many ones? Only one. 10 ones plus 1 equal to 11. No children? 11. You write as a spelling of E-L-E-V-E-N. 11 like that. No? So means here in tens place one bead and the ones place one bead. So 110 plus 1 ones equal to 11. Now children, again I give here. So now here see there. 110 plus 1 No? 110 and 1 ones. No? Now it's a 11. No? Now I'll give another bead. Now, see children. Now here, see. Now see then, in tens place how many beads, ma? 1 bead. And the ones place how many beads? 2 beads. No? So you write here 2 beads. Now see there, in ones place 1 bead and the ones place here 2 beads. So 1 and 2. In the ones place you count as ones. In ones place you count ones. In the tens place here only 110. So that's what's the number? 12. So here 110 and here 2 ones. 110 and 2 ones. So what is the number? 12. So you write as a T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. Like that, no? Like that you are going to that numbers. See See here I will change in the tens place number. Okay na? Now in the tens place I will give you. Now see here. In tens place how many beats ma? See look here. In tens place how many beats? Only one na? See count. 1, 2. And the second, see ones place how many beats? Here also 1, 2. Now I draw here another more beat. No? Now. And here in tens place 2 beats and the ones place 2 beats. So in ones place 1, 2. You write as a 2. In tens place how many beats? Here also 2. So here 2 tens and here 2 ones. So what is the number? 22. And here 2 tens plus 2 ones. So what is the number? 22. That as a TW, E and TY 20. TWO 2 22. TWENTY 20. TWO 2 22. Like this means in the tens place you count as a tens. Means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that tens you count. In the ones place you count as only ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Ones place you count as ones and the tens place you count as a tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 like that you are counting. Now I will give you, see that. Here 2 tens and here also 22 like that. No? 22. Like that you are counting some like that one. No? I'll draw another one. Here I give 1, 2, 3. No? In tens place I didn't give any beat. Now here see it. See there. In tens place how many beats? 1, 2, 3. Here 3 beats. Here 3. See that in tens place 1, 2, 3. And in ones place any beat is there? Any beats are there? No. Means nothing. Nothing means 0. So you are put as a 0. Here I will give any beats in this ones place. No, I didn't write any beats. So means nothing. Nothing means 0. So you put as a 0. Now write here plus dash ones equals to, what is the number? Here how many tens? 3 tens. In tens place what you count? Tens. 10, 20, 30. Here how many? 3 tens. So 3 tens. And in ones place how many ones? Is there any ones? No, nothing. 0. 0 ones. So 3 tens plus 0 ones means 13. You write as a spelling THIRTY. 13. See that? Here see that? Now see that? In the tens place I'll give 3 beats and the ones place nothing. So you write as a 3 tens and 0 ones. So what is the number now? 30. No? That is the abacus. And the abacus means what? the instrument which we can write the numbers, understanding and counting the digits of the number, means the place values. That is the abacus. No, children? Do you understand what is the abacus? Abacus is the instrument which we can count the numbers or understanding the place value of the digits. Okay, na children? Do you understood what is the abacus? No? Again, I'll give one more example for you. See that? Tens, ones. Now here I'll give. See that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I'll give 4 beads. Now here I'll give only 1, 2. Now see there in ones place how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 beads. 4 beads. And the ones place only 1, 2. So 2. So now see here. Now see there. So how many in tens place? How many bits there? Count ma. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many tens you put as a 4 tens? And in ones place how many bits? 1, 2. So in ones 2. So what is the number here? 42. So means in the tens place you count as tens and the ones place you count as only ones. Means like that 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 and plus 2, 42. So now see there how many tens here? Here 4 tens and how many ones here? 2 ones. So now what's the spelling? F-O-R-T-Y 40, T-W-O-2 42. No, this is the abacus one. This is the abacus kit. Do you understand, the children? No? Okay. Now I'll go into next chapter, expand form. Okay, na children? Okay. Okay, na children? This is the abacus. No, abacus means what? That abacus means the numbers you are counting and understanding the place values. See here I will give the next one. Here 56 is there. So this is the ones place and this is the tens place. No, see here. So in tens place what is the number? 5 and the ones place that is a 6. So here what we give? 5 tens plus 6 ones. No, that is the answer 56. No, what is the number? 56. Like that. No, see there. Now I'll give you here 5 beads. In tens place how many is there, ma? 5, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And the ones place how many beads? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, right answer 6 like that. Okay, now this is the abacus. Okay, now you understood, the children? We are going to the next class, another topic. Okay, now?